This is Dr. Hobbolt, and I'm going to help you with this problem. It says a stack of books is 72 inches tall. Each book is 2 inches thick. Which expression tells us how many books are in the stack? So for this one, it's actually kind of helpful to draw a picture to sort of help us visualize what's going on here. Math pictures are a really good way to avoid some simple mistakes when we're thinking about expressions. So on your whiteboard or paper, let's go ahead and draw a simple picture that represents a sort of stack of books. And remember, this stack of books is how tall? 72 inches tall. And we have all these books in there. So these books are stacked up, and each book is how tall or how thick? Each book is 2 inches thick. So what's the expression that we're looking for how many books are in the stack? Well, if it were 72 times 2, that would be like if we had 72 books and all of them were 2 inches thick, and we were asking how tall that stack is. So this definitely isn't 2 times 72 or 72 times 2 that we're looking for here. If it were 72 minus 2, we'd be looking at how tall would the stack be if we took one book away. Because we would have 72 inches, we would take away this 2 inches from the top of the stack when we removed a book, and that's what subtraction would look like for this problem. So now it comes down to, are we talking about 2 divided by 72 or 72 divided by 2? Well, 2 divided by 72, I bet if you evaluate that one either using a calculator or just trying to think about what this expression would evaluate to, you'll realize that it's kind of a small number. Because 2 divided by 72, well, you can't even fit any groups of 72 inside one group of 2. So that's kind of a red flag that we definitely have at least one book in this stack, so it's not going to be 2 divided by 72. That leaves us with 72 divided by 2. So now what we want to do is convince ourselves that this really is the expression we're looking for. So with 72 divided by 2, that's asking how many groups of 2 are in 72. So we're asking how many groups of these 2 inches, how many groups of these 2 inches do we have in the entire stack? And that'll tell us how many books are in the stack, because we're thinking of these 72 inches as being grouped in these 2-inch groups formed by the books. So this one would be 72 divided by 2. So the next question says, another stack of books is 43 inches tall. Each book is 1/2 inch thick. Write an expression that represents the number of books in the stack. So let's draw another picture. So on your whiteboard or your paper, draw a picture. You've just got a stack of books. This time it's 43 inches tall. And each book is how thick? 1/2 of an inch. So to figure out the number of books in the stack, just like before, on the first problem we took our 72 inches and we broke it down into groups of 2 inches. So here we have 43 inches and we're going to break it down into groups of 1/2 inch. So the expression that would represent the number of books in this stack would be 43 divided by 1/2. So very similar to that first problem. Thanks for working this problem with me, and I hope it'll help you be successful.